Hi guys, this is Ray. Nice to see you again. So, today it's time for us to finish our homework, right? So let's do it. Homework number 1. Last time our teacher, Mr. Nguyễn Kiều Công Nghiệp, taught us 5 sounds, including 2 unvoiced sounds and 3 voiced sounds. So I will divide them into 2 parts. Part 1 for unvoiced sounds and another for voiced sounds. Okay. Part 1. Unvoiced sounds. Sh, 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 she, shy, shine, sunshine, sunshine. Cheese, cheese, church, church. Part 2. Voiced sounds. Sorry. Z, z, z. Television, 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 vision, vision. Ja, ja, ja. June, June, June. Gentle, gentle. Please give me a gentle hug. Please give me a gentle hug. Jam, jam. I want to eat jam. I want to eat jam. Large, large. This is the large dinosaurs. This is the large dinosaurs. Dangerous. You're dangerous. Dangerous or dangerous. Dangerous. Stage. Stage. Please show up dance on your stage. Please show up dance on your stage. Please show up dance on your stage. And now there are 2 dialogues for J sounds. You're so dangerous. No, dinosaur is dangerous, not me. Oh, how about you? I'm kind and gentle. Dialogue 2. Where are you now? I'm on stage. Where are you now? I'm on stage. Ja, ja, ja. Yes, yes. You. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching and listening. Gentle. Bye bye.